Cataclysms, crowns, and cosmic close-up. August 9 breaks the history meter. Strap in, history hunters. August 9 is a Swiss Army knife of dates, slicing through empires, science labs, and pop culture shockers in a single spin of Earth. Think of today as a 24-hour binge watch, where the writers kept every plot twist. Emperors erase, cults colliding with Hollywood, nations popping into existence, and the nuclear age flashing its terrible warning light. Whether you drool over obscure treaties or gasp at cosmic selfies, this lineup will make any social feed look tame. Grab popcorn, smash that subscribe button, and keep your arms inside the timeline at all times. 2 millennia of wait, seriously? Are coming at warp speed. Number 20, August 9th, 378 CE, the Battle of Adrianople. Eastern Roman legions meet Gothic's warriors, and Emperor Valens burns inside his refuge hut. Rome's invincible brand takes a brutal knee. Number 19, August 9, 1173. Pisa starts leaning. Builders laid the tower's first stones. The ground shifts immediately. Medieval engineers accidentally invent the future's favorite selfie prop. Number 18, August 9th, 1814. Treaty of Fort Jackson. Defeated Creek chiefs sign away 23 million acres to Andrew Jackson, clearing land for Alabama and Georgia, while native homelands vanish in one pen stroke. Number 17, August 9th, 1830. Louis Philippe becomes Bourgeois king. After 3 riotous July days, bankers crown one of their own. France trades absolutism for a suit-and-sash monarchy. Liberty with fine print. Number 16, August 9, 1842. Webster Ashburton border deal, Brits and Yanks finish penciling in the Maine New Brunswick line. Diplomacy beats muskets, frostbite, and century-long map confusion. Number 15, August 9, 1854. Thoreau drops Walden, a 2-year cabin retreat, morphs into history's top manual for minimalism, mindfulness, and DIY civil disobedience. Cabin influencer before influencers existed. Number 14, August 1977, Battle of the Big Hole. A few hundred Nez Perce fighters ambush U.S. troops, turning Montana's quiet valley into a smoky monument to indigenous resistance. Number 13, August 1918, 2. Edison's two-way telegraph patent. One wire now sends and receives messages. A Victorian hint at the avalanche of instant DMs the future will unleash on our thumbs. Number 12, August 9, 1897, First International Math Congress. Zurich hosts the greatest chalk dust party ever. Equations fly, egos clash, and modern mathematics gains its annual global brainfest. Number 11, August 9, 1902, Edward VII, finally crowned. Appendicitis delayed the pomp, but London still lights up as the new king and Queen Alexandra don't harder heavier than a bowling ball. Number 10, August 1925, Kakari train robbery. Indian revolutionaries hijack a payroll express using colonial cash to bankroll freedom. British headlines scream, "Cocoites! Future India whispers investors." Number 9, August 1936, Owens' fourth go in Berlin. Jesse Owens blazes the 4x100 relay, shredding Hitler's Aryan myth, one finish line photo at a time. Number 8, August 9, 1942, naval nightmare at Savo Island. Japanese cruisers sink 4 Allied ships in under an hour. Guadalcanal's blood-red wake-up call. Number 7, August 9, 1945, Fat Man over Nagasaki at 11:02 a.m. The second atomic bomb detonates. A city is vaporized, and the nuclear genie refuses to go back in its bottle. Number 6, August 9, 1965, Singapore, nation in 24 hours. Ejected from Malaysia, the resource-poor island speedrun state building, later morphing into a gleaming tech hub with legendary street food. Number 5, August 9, 1969, Manson murders, shatter Hollywood cult followers invade Cielo Drive, slaughtering Sharon Tate and friends. The summer of love slams into a wall drenched in terror. Number 4, August 1974, Nixon exits, Ford sworn in. One helicopter ride, one wave, and Richard Nixon is gone. Gerald Ford pledges, a long national nightmare is over. Twitter will one day disagree. Number 3, August 9, 1999, Putin's sudden promotion. Boris Yeltsin fires yet another cabinet and hands the premier seat to ex-KGB officer Vladimir Putin, setting the stage for 21st century geopolitics. Number 2, August 9, 2014. Ferguson ignites. The police shooting of Michael Brown sparks weeks of protest and a global megaphone for Black Lives Matter, refueling the American civil rights engine. Number 1, August 9, 2020. Belarus election meltdown. Official tallies shout landslide. The streets shout fraud. Hundreds of thousands march, defying stun grenades and Europe's last Soviet-style strongman. From a leaning tower and a nuclear sunrise to the day Putin got promoted, August 9 proves history never sleeps and never bores. Tomorrow, August 10, promises giant squids on camera, moon orbit selfies, and a monarchy ending under one very sharp blade. Smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and pack extra snacks. Our time machine tour only gets wilder from here. See you in the future, past.